Look at this one. 12 subtracted from a number gives us 8. Find that number. Let that number be x will be the first thing you write in most of the problems. We assign a variable to the unknown. 12 subtracted from something gives us 8, and we need to find that something. To form the equation correctly, you have to read the question very carefully, part by part. After you're through with this video, you will know what part by part means. So let's start reading this question. It says 12 subtracted and we stop. This is our first part, 12 subtracted. So we know 12 is subtracted from something. So we write minus 12 and we will have something here. But subtracted from what? Let's continue reading the question. From a number. It is the number we want to find. And we have assigned our number a variable which is x. So it is 12 subtracted from x. This was the second part of the question. We continue reading. Gives us 8. This basically means equal to 8. So we write it here. That's it. Your equation is formed. Remember, the job of the person who makes these equations is to just twist the words. It was such a simple equation written in such a complicated way. You just have to learn to decode the parts and write them down. So to quickly review, this is derived from 12 subtracted, this is derived from a number, and this is derived from gives us 8. So breaking the questions into parts and writing the equation is the best way to form an equation. Solving this equation will give you x equal to 20. But remember, we are not here to solve equations. Our aim is to just form them. So the number is 20. You can see that 12 subtracted from 20 will give us 8. Let's move on to the next one. Find a number that is 3 times the sum of 5 and 7. We have to find some number. Let that number be x. Now we follow a part-by-part approach. A number is x, and the word is always means equal to. So the words the number that is can be written as x equal to. The next part is 3 times. It means 3 multiplied by. 3 multiplied by what? The sum of 5 and 7. So we write 5 plus 7 here. Do not forget the brackets. Without the brackets, it will have a completely different meaning. It is 3 multiplied by the entire sum. That's it. Your equation is formed. After solving the equation, you should get the answer of x as 36. The last problem is very interesting.